Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form W-9. First, understand that Form W-9, or Request for Taxpayer Identification Number and Certification, is a document you provide to entities that pay you income. This form helps them report your earnings to the IRS accurately. It's crucial for independent contractors, freelancers, and small business owners to complete this form correctly to ensure proper tax reporting. You don't file it with the IRS yourself. When completing Form W-9, start by entering your legal name as it appears on your tax return. If you have a business name, include that too. Next, select your federal tax classification, such as individual, sole proprietor, C corporation, or S corporation. Finally, accurately provide your complete address, including your street, city, state, and ZIP code. This ensures all your information is consistent and correct for tax purposes. The most critical part of Form W-9 is providing your taxpayer identification number, or TIN. This will typically be your Social Security number, or SSN, if you are an individual or sole proprietor. If you operate as a business entity, you will use your Employer Identification Number, or EIN. Double-check that this number is absolutely correct, as any errors can lead to significant delays or problems with your tax reporting. Only provide one TIN. After filling out all sections, you must certify that the information provided is true, correct, and complete. This certification confirms your tax status and TIN. Then, sign and date the form in the designated areas. Once completed, return the Form W-9 directly to the person or entity who requested it from you. Remember, you do not send this form to the IRS. It's for the payer's records.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.